Hello guys, I am Agung. I would like to share you about 3 tips of how to make your life better. The first thing that you can do is be a grateful person. Many things can make us complain about our life every day. Sometimes we compare our life with the others. It feels like life is unfair because we feel everything is so difficult and unhappy. So why do we feel unhappy of our life? It could be because we are less grateful of what we have. Be thankful on everything, on whatever we have in life, about our healthy, friendship, work, family, food that we eat, and everything that God has given to us, from the biggest things to the smallest things. When you begin to understand how important to be grateful, our view of life will be changed to be more positive. We can feel a different happiness feeling. We can feel a positive energy comes to us. Previously, we might often associate happiness with something big, such as having lots of money or buying expensive items. However, with gratitude, even small things can make us happy. Even when we enjoy the rain while drinking coffee on the terrace of the house, we can get a huge happiness from it. Gratitude will emerge positive emotions such as love and joy. Always remember that when we are grateful, we will be happy. By being happy, all of our duty, tasks, job can be done easily, and of course we can reach our dream. Second, doing good habits to change life to be better. If we want to change our life better, we need to change our daily habit. Habit is a daily behavior that is conducted without the need to think or motivate yourself to do it. There are some habits that will help someone get better, and there are also habits that will stop someone from achieving a goal. We have to turn bad habits into good habits immediately. If you are a lazy person to learn, then immediately change this habit. Be more diligently to master new skill and add new knowledge. If we're ready to have exercise, start it by walking or jogging for 10 minutes and increase the time day by day. If you never care about your appearance, spend extra time on more care about your appearance. Your appearance is able to provide a significant boost to your confidence. If your sleep is less than 8 hours, then fix your sleep, because a quality sleep is able to encourage more maximum productivity. Sufficient sleep also helps reduce stress levels and makes the body more awake. This will improve the quality of life both physically and non-physically, which can make our life better. Third, realize your dream. In order to change someone's life quickly, then someone must have a dream and be prepared to make it happen. Dreams make someone excited and able to look forward with more passion. Of course, when having a dream, it's not enough if we just keep it in our mind, but it needs real action. It also needs patience, consistency, and diligence in achieving it. Gradually, what we dream can be reached, even though it was not as easy as we thought. All things need a process, and enjoy all the process. Being successful and making change of yourself really needs time, discipline, and patience, no matter how great you are and how big the effort that you have done. So that's all about 3 tips that can make your life better. Thank you for your attention. Bye.